What is up, YouTube? We are on to video number 2 of Nutritional Fundamentals, which is regulating eating behaviors. So all that means is having set times for your meals. So to give you an example of what I do, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up, and the first thing I always do is I make a coffee and I drink some water. And then after that, I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. Ryan and Andrew will be in at about 6:30. And I normally don't get hungry until 9 or 10. So I wait for my hunger cues to set in, and then I start having my meals. You do not have to eat first thing in the morning if you're not hungry, okay? Now, if you're starving, go ahead and have something. But in general, if you're drinking coffee, which is an appetite suppressant, and drinking water, you're not gonna be hungry. Once I start eating at around 9 or 10, I have my meals spaced out every 3 or 4 hours. So I eat around, let's say 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So that's every 3 or 4 hours. Now, the only way I can eat every 3 or 4 hours is if I go back to the first nutritional fundamental, which is planning, prioritizing, and preparing ahead of time. So if you look at the fridge at the gym, what do I have there? I have protein bars. I have protein powders. I have chicken sausage. I have bananas, blueberries, carrots. I have all these foods ready to go. So when the hunger strikes, I'm not running out to the gas station and buying a candy bar. I'm not running to McDonald's to buy cheeseburgers. I don't have to order Uber Eats, and spend extra money on getting food delivered to me. It's all ready to go. What do I have in the fridge here? I have, what do I have at the fridge of the house? I have, I have egg whites, I have eggs, I have salmon patties, I have stir-fried vegetables. I have all this stuff that's really super convenient for me to eat, and it doesn't take a lot of time to prepare, okay? So, action plan for you guys is to set meal times, and stick to them. So put it in your phone. When that alarm goes off, it's time to eat. And then you also have to go back to the first fundamental, which is planning, prioritizing, preparing your meals. You have to know what you're going to eat when the alarm goes off. Okay. So ending it here. If you have questions, leave them in the comments section, and then I will be going over nutritional fundamental number 3 here in a few days.